In this video, I'm going to go over how to create a dreamlike glow to your images. We did this in class. First, I'm going to take this image, which I've cropped a few times. As you can see, I didn't like it here, so I cropped it a few times, and this brings more the attention to what I want. First, we will then go up to the top of our screen and choose Filter, and we will convert for Smart Filters. Remember, this protects your image so it is re-editable, because a filter will distort your pixels or destroy pixels in order to create the effect. Then up at the top, I'm going to choose Filter, Blur, and I'm going to go to Gaussian Blur. And that kind of creates an all-over blur. So the more that you push your radius, the more blurriness effect you will get. So in essence, looking back at Uta Barth, who did some blurry images, you could create kind of a simplification of details by blurring it. And you can go ahead and look at all those different blurs as well. So I'm going to blur this up, and I'm going to hit OK. Down in my layers box, you'll see that I have the Smart Filter on and the Gaussian Blur. This double line here and two triangles indicates the blend mode option. So I'm going to double click on that, and that will pull up my, as you can see, blending options. I'm going to choose screen because I know that that will create the effect that I want. But of course you can go through and look at all the different modes. I think screen creates the most dreamlike sort of effect. And there it is. I don't like this reflection that's happening here, so I am still selected on my images, on my image layer, so I'm going to show you one more thing to do there. However, so this could be my dreamlike image, but I am going to open my adjustments. I want to darken this area here so that I can kind of eliminate that glare. So I'm going to go to my curves, and I'm going to just mess with it just a little bit there. That increases that contrast and eliminates that glare. You can do that a variety of different ways, but that is what I've done here, and that is a quick way to make a dreamlike image.